High Court of Karnataka, Bengaluru, Karnataka State Legal Services Authority in association with Karnataka State Bar Council and Advocates Association Bengaluru celebrates Constitution of India. Human Rights and Anti-Corruption Forum also celebrated Constitution of India.
My Lord, Honorable Sri Justice Jagdish Singh Kehar, one who led this court from the front. Today is the day when we must acknowledge the contribution, immense contribution of the framers of our Constitution. The team led by late Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar are architects of modern India. Today, we are celebrating Constitution Day 2020 in the background of pandemic of COVID-19. The pandemic has adversely affected all the systems, all the institutions across the world. When we are assembled here to commemorate the adoption of the Constitution of India, we must remember that judiciary has to play a pivotal role in evolving the Constitution and implementing the constitutional protection guaranteed to the citizens. The Constitution of India confers on all citizens a fundamental right to access to justice. It is the fundamental duty of the courts to uphold the rights of the citizens. It is the duty of every court, and in particular, constitutional court like High Court, to jealously guard the fundamental rights conferred on our citizens by the Constitution of India. The functioning of the courts got considerably affected due to lockdown and spread of pandemic COVID-19 that forced us to use the modern technology to keep the courts running. How best technology can be used is a subject which will be addressed by our keynote speaker today. But today is the day when we, all the judges, must remember that we owe a duty to the litigants to ensure that the courts are conducted in best possible manner even during the pandemic. As the doctors and health workers are fighting a battle with COVID-19, those who are part of the institutional judiciary must endeavor to become, in a sense, COVID-19 warriors by ensuring that the functioning of the courts is affected only to the minimum extent. Thomas Edison once said, "The strength of the Constitution lies in the will of the people to defend it." I strongly feel that only if we, the members of the judicial fraternity, protect and uphold the fundamental rights of the citizens, we'll be able to give sufficient strength to our citizens to defend our Constitution. Today is the day when we should take pledge to abide by the constitutional values. Today is the day when we should take a pledge that whether there is a second wave of pandemic, whether there is a third wave of pandemic, will continue functioning of our court and will ensure that liberty of each individual is protected. I thank the Legal Services Authority for giving me this opportunity. I do not want to consume more time because our keynote speaker is waiting. Thank you very much.